comes with all the hardware that you need for the installation. And I thought this was the front, it's all polished, but it turns out that this is where your foot will be. It's all raised, so your foot will grip onto it better. They have tons of finishes. I just went for the simplest one. So this will be my gas pedal right here. This will be the brake, and this is the footrest. So I gotta remove the plastic covers on my pedals, and I actually didn't know that these had covers on them. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Not sure if pretty sure this one is just like this. So after drilling this part, we got the brake pedal in. Ended up holding the nut in the back with needle nose pliers and then wrenching it with the Allen key. Alright guys, I didn't really get to record that much because it was honestly a pain in the ass to record down here with, you know, setting up the camera, and like I would bump into it and everything. But this is how the pedals came out. Usually people do get the eBay ones, which are a bit cheap, and in my case they sent me a totally wrong set for a completely different car. So that's why I opted to go with performance pedals. They took about 2 months, which was honestly kind of long. But in the end, they came out really nice. The install, it's kind of tedious, not really that hard if I say so, but just take your time with it and you should get it done. I will include the link for these pedals down in the description below so you guys can try them out for yourselves if you're interested. So yeah guys, that was a short, concise video on the performance pedals I just got from my G37 coupe. They fit really great. It's honestly much better than the eBay ones people usually get. You guys should check them out. They feel really grippy. They look amazing. Really short, straight to the point install. I hope you guys like this video. A lot more to come for this car in the upcoming weeks. I'm going to be doing a video pretty soon, in about 1 or 2 videos, about the future plans I have for this car. The video will have a lot of topics to cover, so stick around for that video. So guys, you're probably gonna roast me for this and be all like, what the hell is he doing to his car? You guys might be wondering why I have saran wrap in place in my cup holder. Obviously it's to protect stuff from falling in, but my cup holder has been sent out somewhere, and I will be going over that in detail in the next video when I talk about the future plans for the G. So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. It was just a really short, concise video like I said before, and I will be getting out a lot more content to you guys. I got so much stuff coming for this car in the next week or 2, so stay tuned for that, and I will catch you guys in the next one.